Okay, this video was made yesterday, but there was a problem with the sound, so I'm doing it again. これ昨日アップしましたが、ちょっとなんか急に途中に音がなくなったから、ちょっともう一回やってみる。もう一回ね、最初からやり直すかな。Okay, I'm redoing the video. This video is about the 立てこもり case, the man who shot. He had two guns and he killed another person, and he eventually died. You might know the story now. For a kaiwa, for English, I'm going to help you tell this story in English. Okay, so the man in the story was arrested last year for drugs. He was arrested for drugs last year. So 去年、麻薬のせいで、麻薬のため逮捕された。He was arrested. So 簡単に言うと、逮捕されるのは He was arrested. 逮捕されました。Okay? He was tried and found guilty. Tried は裁判で、裁判所とか、まあ、ちゃんと有罪かどうか、無罪かどうか決めることは try. Okay? So he was tried in a court. 裁判で。We just say he was tried and found guilty. Guilty is 有罪。有罪と決まったね。彼は有罪だと判断した。So, he was supposed to go to jail on Monday. 月曜日、刑務所に入るべきだった。Supposed to is like, まあ、期待されてるとか、するべきとか、For example, are you busy today? Yeah, I'm supposed to work. なんかそういう手入ってるわ。I'm supposed to meet my mother. お母さんと約束あるとか。それ言っちゃ、それダメだよ。そういうことをしたらダメだよ。For example, you are not supposed to smoke on the subway, right? You're not supposed to smoke. それダメですね。supposed to. You are supposed to pay taxes. You are supposed to pay taxes. 税金を払うことは払うべきだ。税金を払うべきです。You are supposed to pay taxes. Okay. So the man fled. He ran away. 逃げた。逃げたということは flee って言いますね。He fled. まあ run away の方がよく使うけど He ran away. He ran away. He fled. Flee は原型。辞書でね、探すと flee って探してください。この flee じゃない。これは飲み。これ虫のことね。flee。これ飲みかな。まあこの飲みね。a flea。それ虫。怖い。この話について詳しく知りません。I don't know all the details. これ結構使える英語。I don't know all the details. I don't know all the details. He shot 4 people. 4人を撃った。バンバンバンバン。He killed one and seriously injured one and seriously injured one. So I guess we don't need this. So he shot 4 people. 4人撃って1人を殺した。He killed one and seriously injured one. もう一つは結構ね、重体。結構大変な、怪我を与えた。He seriously injured one. Injure, of course, is to hurt or 傷つけること。He injured one. He injured somebody. To hurt somebody. SB は somebody ですね。He injured somebody. まあ、日本語で文字通りですね、調べると、もう逃亡者になりました。He was a fugitive from the police. A fugitive is, and this is a little bit funny, a fugitive is 逃亡者ですね。Right? He is a fugitive, but でもそんなに使わない。まあそれはね、ハリソン・フォードの映画の題名ね、逃亡者、a fugitive、英語で fugitive。He's a fugitive. He is on the loose. He is at large. これもね、they haven't caught him yet. So 簡単な会話的にね、the police haven't caught him yet. The police haven't caught him yet. まだ捕まってない。Okay. Witnesses spotted him Tuesday night. So 火曜日の夜は目撃者は彼のことを見た。彼の自体を見たね。A witness is 目撃者。Now ちょっとだけ面白いこと。 これもハリソン・フォードの映画の題名、目撃者、witness、英語で witness。逃亡者も fugitive。もう偶然だけど。Someone called the police。誰かが報告した。誰か警察に電話した。Someone called the police。I'm going to call the police。電話するよ。英語でI'm calling 911。日本語だって110番。I'm calling 911は英語ですね。He went home and barricaded himself inside his house. Barricade はドアを閉めて、あとそのドアの誰も入らないように重い家具とか置くことは barricade himself inside the house。冷蔵庫とか。この場合は多分洗濯機置いといたかな。He barricaded himself inside his house. He barricaded the door. 警察がそれからなんていうの道を直してるときは they barricade the street とかそういう使い方もありますね。He was holed up all day. これは立てこもり。He was holed up all day. To hold up in your house is to stay home. Okay. Now, he wouldn't go out and the police wouldn't go in and it was very dangerous. So everyone is kind of like gun and gun. When you can't advance, this is called a standoff. A standoff. So 前にこれにらみ合うかななんかにらい合うそういうふうにみたいな言葉ちょっと待って I forgot the Japanese for this. There is a Japanese word for this. Let's look it up. Let's study together. I think it's にらみ合う but standoff 探しましょう。And the word is, let's see, a diplomatic standoff. Let me see, where is it? I believe it's, yeah, にらみ合い。にらみ合いだ。It's a meishi. Okay, it's a noun. So にらみ合い。There we go. A standoff. So we'll add that. A standoff, and there's a new word for you. にらみ合い. Whoops. Okay, let's blow that up so you can see it. Okay. And in the end, 結局, in the end, he shot himself in the stomach. 自分の腹に撃って The police grabbed him. 捕まって They called the ambulance. 救急車を呼んで But he died. And it's a very sad story. I don't know any more details. I don't know why he did what he did. But anyway, that's your news story for today. I hope this will help you learn English. Please study hard. Please repeat after me. If you are interested in more lessons, please check the link in the description. And until next time, everyone, study hard. See you in the next video.